of people right now that are still fighting AI, that are afraid of it. They're a little afraid of it. And there are people that are nervous that think it's going to replace them. And the one thing that I want to say about AI techniques and applications and tools is they work best when combined with the human soft skills that we all possess. So AI and machine learning is going to make you much more efficient at what you're already doing. So you reference like, what's something that we never thought we could do? Well, we have something that we developed called our switch risk rating. We look at the MLS data, okay? And in the data, we can we take all of this data. We've taken millions and millions of examples of agents that had left their brokerage in the past. And we fed those millions of examples into this machine learning model. And it has independently learned that agents that ultimately leave their brokerage for another have this very distinct behavior pattern contained within the transactional record leading up to that departure. And then we match on it. So who thought that you could have predicted agent movement from one brokerage to another?